Hey everyone, welcome to episode 11 of me building my Zenith CH750 cruiser. And what you're going to see here is about 3 hours and 15 minutes worth of actual working time. And I started off by installing the horizontal stabilizer uh, end rib extensions. I don't know what their actual name is, but they're metal extensions there that slip up inside the plastic tips, and it's not a hard thing to do. It is a little bit of measuring and drilling. So you're drilling through the plastic and the metal, both. And again, not difficult, not terribly time consuming. It just is. So that's how I started off the day. And see me there kind of cleaning up things, trying to keep it clean. The plastic shavings get everywhere, probably worse than metal shavings. So try to keep things clean. But here you see I'm deburring those extensions now. Here shortly I'm going to take them out and shoot a coat of primer on them. So getting them cleaned up and ready for priming. And it looks like they're back from priming now. And they didn't come out very good. The primer I use here is the finish primer, so these parts are going to get painted black. And they did not come out very well, and I don't know why. It's a beautiful day today, low humidity, temperature in the 70s, but the primer came out very gritty, almost a sandpapery type finish. So you're going to see here, I'm going to wet sand these, which does help out quite a bit and doesn't make them perfect. I'll probably wet sand them a little more before I do the final coat of paint. But a lot of what happened today did not happen on camera. It happened outside. A minute ago, you may have seen me wet sanding the plastic tips. So I was wet sanding the primer. Those are outside right now, at least in this video right now, uh, being painted and dried. Here you see me bringing them inside the house. And what I was doing there was setting up a little bit of a jig to hold them. I did that after I painted them. Don't do that. Uh, it would have been a lot better for me had I taken the time to set up the jig. I didn't think I was going to need one, which is why I didn't bother with it. But if I would have set it up before, it would have made my life a whole lot easier. And finished off the day here getting the hinge installed. Zenith did make a change to the hinge, and it is now much longer than it used to be. It's basically a full span hinge. It didn't used to be. And the kits are not quite up to date yet on this, so I had to trim that hinge down so that the hinge itself would clear those extensions. Wasn't too hard, but it had to be done, and that's how it ended up.